Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fitri Raswati with name 44240620, class 441B03, majoring in communication science. Here I will explain about the simple present tense along with the following explanation. Simple present tense. Introduction to what the simple present tense is and why it is so important for everyday communication. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. This tense is also does describe habits, understanding situation, general truths, and physical schedules. Simple present tense function. The function of the simple present tense are state a routine, thinking about event that occur permanently, state a phrase that is known by everyone, stating the identity of a person or thing, describe something based on reality. When to a simple present tense, to state a general fact or truth, for daily habits or routine, for statement of sequences of present events, for instruction or guidance. Simple present tense positive sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus s or s plus object. Example, I read books every night. She goes to school by bus. The sun rises in the east. Who watch television after dinner? My father works at a bank. Simple present tense negative sentence structure. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb plus object. Example, they do not go to the gym on weekends. He does not watch movie often. We do not live in a big city. The store does not open on Sunday. My brother does not have vegetables. Simple present tense interrogative sense structure. Do or does the subject plus verb plus object. Do example. Do you like pizza? Does he play the guitar? Do they work on weekends? Does he live in New York? Do we have class tomorrow? Rules for adding the ending s or is to simple present tense verb. The verb is added with the ending s if the subject of the sentence is the third person singular, he, she, it. Verbs that end with the letters s are added with s if the subject of the sentence is the third person singular. Verbs that end with s add s if the subject of the sentence is third person singular. Verbs that end with the letter a add s if the subject of the sentence is the third person singular. Verbs that end with o add s if the subject of the sentence is the third person singular. Verb that end with o add s if the subject of the sentence is the third person singular. Use the word do and does. Do is as the subject of personal pronouns. I, you, we, they. Does is used for third person subject he, she, it. As for the use of tense, do is used in the simple present tense and simple past tense, while does is used in the simple present tense. Example of using the word do. I do like cheesecake. We do the crafting ourselves. You do know how it's like to be me. We don't prefer anyone to go the road. Do you remember when we went to the beach? Do we left our car key behind? Example of using the word does. Yes, so does speak English. My mom always does her best on her cooking. Her does trust her sister at all. It does bring any benefit to us. Does she like cross skating? How does your father know the rain stops? Example of verb added with the ending s. He works in the office every day. She often makes mistakes. He works in a bank. She plays tennis. She cooks delicious meals every day. Example of verbs where the final letter s is added with s. He plays my house every day. Just cross the street every night. He misses the bus frequently. She dresses her doll every day. He guesses the answer correctly. Adverb of time and simple present tense. Time information is to state the time an event or activity occurs. When is a question word for answer that show information about time. To express how often something event happen, we can ask effort of frequency such as always, often, Frequently, usually, normally, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, never. Example, we often listen to music in the evenings. I sometimes do aerobic at the gym. He never gets up early. He is actually very reliably. It is often cold here during the winter. Time expressions for simple present tense. There are several time methods that can be used for events that are happening now or those that face every day, week, month, year. Example, I go to school every morning. I come to my grandparents' house on Saturday to study English every day. Sentence with past or general statement is simple present tense. The present simple is asked to state facts that are always true or even that always occur, and it is often described as general truth. General truth is a fact that is true and equipped by security in general. General truth is also conveyed in the simple present tense. Example, dogs have four legs, birds fly with their wings, ice bear lean on the sea ice, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Sentence with habit or routine in simple present tense. Simple present tense is a sentence form that describes habits or routine that are also done regularly. Simple present is as the describe a face or truth, feeling, and to. Example: Jason plays the guitar. Jason does play the guitar. Does Jason plays the guitar? So watch TV in the evening. So does watch TV in the evening. Does to watch TV and evening. Sentence with circles in simple present tense. In simple present tense, the circles also describes as if or event that occur at a certain time. For example, transportation, circles routine event or operational times. Example, the lesson ends at 7 p.m. The film starts at 8 p.m. My exams are in June. The school years begin in September. 31 October is Halloween. Exercise and conclusions. Simple present tense is to express habits and schedules. The sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object for positive sentence and is do or does for negative sentence and questions. Nah, thank you for your attention. More or less from the explanation that I have conveyed, I apologize. And finally, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.